Hey guys, Nick here. Today I'm going to show you how to filter your dataset based on a given condition. Alright, so to be exact, we're going to take this dataset from our previous videos where we created an if statement to add this headquarter columns. We're going to use this data and we're going to look at this store list, and we want to filter this dataset to only show the stores that are based out of New Jersey. So we only want to show this highlighted section of the data set, right? So that's what we're going to go through. Let's get started. I want to limit the data set right after we did our if statement. So I'm going to drop into this current connection here. I'm going to go to the node repository over here, right? And you're going to type in rule like I did over here. And you're going to look for the rule-based row filter. So just like it's titled, it's going to filter out rows based on a rule that we provide. So basically it's going to filter based on a condition. So drag and drop this node into our current connection. Going to hit OK here, and now the rule-based row filter is part of our current workflow. So what we're going to do now is we're going to double click into this node to set up our rule and to filter our data set. So in here you see the expressions box. This is where we add in our rule. So we have our cursor in the rule, or the expression box, I'm sorry. We have our cursor in the expression box. What I'm going to do is look for the variable of choice, which in our case is the state. That's where we're building our condition off of. We're going to say when state is equal to nj, right? Then the equals plus the arrow is like the then, right? We're going to say, if that's the case, then we're going to say true in all caps, right? So basically state equal to nj, then we're going to say that's a true condition, right? That's it. So what's going to happen is this node, the rule-based filter node, row filter node, is going to basically filter out anything that's false. So what we're saying here is, because whenever the state of New Jersey matches as, whenever the state matches as New Jersey, then that's a true condition, so keep it, and then all the false stuff is going to get filtered out, right? So it's that easy, right? Variable equal to what your condition is, then true. We're going to hit apply, hit OK. The node is yellow, so it's ready to be executed. So we're going to right click, execute, and now it's green as in it's been executed. So now we're going to right click and go to the filtered option all the way at the bottom to see our new data set. And if you look at that, right? If you look at the state, everything is New Jersey in this data set, and we can compare that to our old data set, or the data set before we filter out for states that are not New Jersey. And now you can see, right, 12 rows here by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it looks like our rule-based row filter node worked, and we filtered out based on a given condition. So that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want something, like any videos on how to do something that you've been like struggling with lately, or just any topics that come to mind that you'd like to see, just drop it in the comments and I'll try to get a video put together as soon as possible. Otherwise, share this with your friends that are learning Knime or transitioning to Knime, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.